Hi there, this is Milo. I'm just experimenting with this new clamp that I got delivered today. It's a small rig, 11-inch camera arm. And if we just pop it in there, just by loosening that one wing nut, we can make any sort of adjustment we like, and then just by tightening it up again, everything is locked in position. So yeah, what have we here? We've got a pair of Belfry 2-lever Old English style padlocks. They're not very difficult to pick, and I'll use this little mini, it's a cut down key. I'll pop that in there, and I will use a wee pick wire from the UK Lockpickers padlock pick set. Oh. Right, let's get it in there. There we go. And fairly stiff tension, and just gently start to inch these levers up until we get the opening. Like I say, not very difficult. Not a lot to these little 2-lever padlocks. So we'll do the same. Get that in there. We've got movement forward and backwards, so just start tweaking those levers. Little tweak, little movement there, a little bit more movement, and there we go. So these locks, I don't know if we can see down in there, don't think so. There's actually 3 levers, but I think one might just be a spacer. So with this one, lever 1, which I think must be getting lifted on here, is high, and then the next 2 are low. So I don't believe that one does anything. There's definitely 3 levers and 3 levers lifting that one. But the third lever might just be a spacer to keep the levers compressed. And it's the same in this one, 3 levers. But with this one, only 2 of the levers lift. So we've got a high lift, a low lift, and then this one doesn't lift at all. So there we go, Belfry. A pair of Belfry 2-lever Old English style padlocks. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.